In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the variable valve timing solenoid on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the side of the motor next to the intake manifold. Let's get started. We're going to move the top harness. There's a tab in the top. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver, pull out on that tab. As we're pulling out, we're going to pull up. You may need to use something to pry up on this. They can get rusty and pretty stuck. Pop the harness off, gently push it back behind the bracket. We're going to remove this connector from the bracket. There should be a tab right in the middle. You'll be able to pick it up with a flat blade screwdriver. Pick up on the tab. Now we're going to push this up. Our tab is missing, so we don't have anything to push up on. We're just going to remove it from the bracket. Pop it off of the bracket, slide it slightly forward. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt for the solenoid. Remove the bolt. We're going to remove the connector. We're going to use a right angle pick. We're going to pick up on the locking tab in the front of the connector. Pick up on the tab, push straight off, remove the connector. And pull that up into the side, out of the way. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to start to wiggle the VVT solenoid. Start to loosen everything up. You can put a bit of penetrant behind it. We're going to grab it with our pliers, and as we wiggle back and forth, I have a finger behind my pliers trying to push the solenoid out. Our solenoid is starting to pop out. You can see the O-ring. Once it starts to come out, it'll slightly brush up against our intake manifold, but it'll still be able to come out. I'm going to be using these pliers. I'm going to grab the end of the VVT solenoid, and I'm going to use my finger and pull straight back. Remove the VVT solenoid. Using a clean rag, we're going to clean the area and the port. Wipe away all of the dirt. We're going to put a bit of clean engine oil on our finger, wipe it around our O-ring. This will help installing. Install the solenoid. Push it straight in. Be sure it's fully seated. Install the bolt. Get the bolt started and snug it down. Torque the bolt to 8 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push it on until it clicks. If you don't hear a click, give it a push back. Make sure it's locked on. Install the connector onto the bracket. Be sure it locks into place. Pull the harness up over the bracket and install it onto the bracket. Get it fully seated, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.